Wake up to the reality. Parents are like alarm clocks, always set to snooze but never getting to it. Catching a break often seems like a distant dream, doesn't it? The constant hustle of parenthood leaves little time for relaxation. Even amidst the chaos, remember that self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. When was the last time you managed to squeeze in a nap? Unwind, recharge, and let the world pause, even if for a moment. Parents, it's time to hit the snooze button on your duties and catch that well-deserved break. So here's a reminder. It's not just about being a parent. It's about being a well-rested you.